The finallyunderstand.com website lets you download solution of mathematics examples for $1.95 each after you have paid a $10 membership fee. Which domain would be most appropriate to calculate the cost to download the mathematics example? So we can download one mathematical example, 2, 3, and so on. It cannot be half of example, or this number cannot be negative, of course. So the first statement, we have whole numbers less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1, this will be negative numbers, less than or equal to 1. So this is impossible. The domain cannot be negative for this example. Can be 1, 2, 3, and so on. Integers less than or equal to 0. Again, less than or equal to 0. So the domain cannot be negative in this example. We cannot have negative 1 example. We have 1 example. Next, we have whole numbers greater than or equal to 1. And this is the correct statement, because the last is rational numbers greater than 0. We cannot have half of mathematical example, 1/3 of mathematical example. So for sure this cannot be our solution. Like I said, first and second cannot be, because we cannot have negative domain in this example. So only the third is correct solution. The domain will be whole numbers greater than or equal to 1. So the third statement is our answer. One more time, because we cannot have 1/2 of the example, so fourth statement is not true. The first and second less than or equal to 0, we cannot have negative 1 example. We have 1 example. Or whole numbers less than or equal to 1, so it will be only 1 example, but we can buy 3, 4, 5 examples. So it cannot be first statement also. Only the third includes these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is solution to our problem.